We're out exploring. We're on an adventure. We're at an estate sale. And today is the last day. So we're hoping everything's 50% off. You never know what you can find. Look at the house. And there's a building. I could have used that for my business or our business. There he is. Oh, Gentry and Sons.
Hello.
Oh, that's Adventures with the Hudsons, not Gentry and Sons. All right, we're at an estate sale. We're going to see what we can find. Did the truck automatically exit the highway to go to this Goodwill?
Yep. Boy, that sun's bright.
It is. It's pretty, though. It's like 80, 88 degrees, 82, somewhere in there. So we're going to check out this Goodwill. Never been here before. We're in Springfield, Ohio. Hey, you finding anything in this Goodwill?
A little bit.
And what did we find?
What else? Dishes.
Y'all might say, why do you buy dishes? Because we found a Goodwill that these are false craft. And looky there, the prices are reasonable. And 4 of these sold for $25. And I'm gonna pay 69 cents a piece times 4. And then Jim found that, and below it is some Corelware. What you got?
What do you think?
You did pretty
Dishes.
good in there.
Yeah, that was good.
You know, you get out of the big towns and get into these small towns and things get
Get rid of stuff.
yeah. So, hey, can't refuse Corelware plates for 99 cents. Hey, looky there, Gentry and Sons Trucking. Check them out, YouTube. Darn truck just keeps stopping, doesn't it? We are in the Columbus, Ohio area. Let's go see what prices are like in here versus Springfield, where we bought dishes for 69 cents and 99 cents. So we'll show you some things once we get in here. Look at all these center racks. Woohoo! Look at all this. Can you believe it? Guys, did you find a bunch of dishes? Not you. Where's this GPS taking us to?
To the flea market.
What flea market?
This one.
What? You can't. Oh, I see cars are stopped there. Okay. Well, at least we're off the road. Can we get some fleas?
I'm gonna buy some fleas.
Where are we? What town are we in?
Youngstown.
Youngstown, Ohio. Wow. And there's still cars coming in, and it's 20 till 2. That's unbelievable. So we might still get to do some shopping, guys. You want to go to the flea market with us? There we go. We're gonna move now. All right, we're gonna find a place to park, and let's go find what kind of treasures we can get. One packing up. Looks like a big flea market. This kind of reminds me of the one we went to in Virginia the first time we went to Jeebus's garage sale. Fried veggies, country brewed sweet tea, means it's got sugar in it. We're looking for someone. Is that a big sign down there I see? I don't know. Any furniture? Look at all the furniture. Some of that's old furniture. Look at that. That could be redone. Oh, here, say hi. Wave at him.
Oh, hi.
Oh, let me get on.
Got me while I was looking.
Hey, look at all the toys. You want some toys? Wow, that is Toy City. There you go. They're keeping cool with the big fan. This is a big flea market. This is about like when we go to Turtle Creek. Do you think it's a little bit bigger? About the same, he says. I know you can't hear him.
Spread out more.
But I understand them. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so they're all getting packed up. Hey, do you know who that is? Do you see him? There's Purple Haze. Oh, and there's a Hudson. Purple Haze!
We don't care.
We are gonna go over here. Yes, we could. Look at this. But I see, yeah, we'll film when we go back there. Okay, everything's free. What can you find? I don't think those are. I was looking for what's called swirl. So they're doing what Jeebus does, that everything is free. That way they don't have to pack it and take it, or they take less to go to the trash. So I'm gonna go over here. Is it a yearbook? Okay, Jim found a yearbook. Is it a yearbook?
Yeah.
Okay, Chestnut Burr, 1983. It does smell a little musty, but we can leave it sit in the storage unit. So what else are you gonna find down in there?
That's him in the full flesh.
He's a digging, guys. What you gonna find? On the side of someone's pictures. I'm gonna.
Leave his old picture there.
All right. They were old. People like that stuff. Look over in this box over here. Unbox it, Jim. Are those like placemats?
Yeah.
Put them in the box and put the lid on them. Let's take those and check those out. They're Pennsylvania placemats. There's more Bibles. I don't know about that one, but it's 1931. What is it? Is it a journal?
Yearbook.
An old yearbook. They could very well sell. He's going to take the Bible for the Bible guy.
George.
His name is George. He gave us some really cool
Everything is free.
wooden crosses when we visited him earlier this week.
I don't know what that is.
Looks like it opens.
Holds up.
Digging through more papers. You never know what you find down in there.
Come on. Hey, Mark, anything you got?
What, do you find some more yearbooks? Well, look at the wind. It's going to be raining here. There's a storm coming in, I guess. We'll look at a few things, then we're going to go over here and show you who we ran into. I know you saw Purple Haze earlier, so you probably know who else is here. Wow. It's like some Pokemon cards. Look at that purple coffee pot over there. This is Jim's kind of area. Hey, if you guys see anything, holler. Like he needs any more tools. What is that? What is it?
Ratchet. 3/8 ratchet.
Okay, you heard him.
Battery operated.
Where's the battery? Oh, right there.
That little thing.
You don't know if it charges.
Right. It's fully charged. What about the
Well, I don't know. You'll have to ask.
I don't know.
There's anything behind me. This is a lot of work. Look at all the boxes. Look at what has to be done. And I know he has to load that trailer a certain way, but there they are, KT Treasures! She is exhausted, people.
Oh my gosh, yesterday kicked our butt with those 6 storage locker things.
You are a glutton for punishment, lady.
I'm telling you what, no, it's him. He likes to kill us.
Are you a slave driver?
Not me.
So which one is telling the fabrication? Look at this. Does this look familiar? Look at the work. Look at all the work that it takes to set up at a flea market, to move the stuff that you find in storage units and anywhere else that it accumulates from.
It took us about an hour and 20 minutes to set up today because I was very pathetic and slow.
Well, it took us, I can't tell you how long last weekend, and half the trailer didn't get unloaded.
Wow.
Yeah.
But you guys set up on tables, right?
No, we were
Some
quit doing
tables
that.
and most of it was on the ground.
Okay.
So we
like
decided
us.
too much work. We're just going to open the lids and let them dig.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm well done.
No, you're not.
Look at that trailer. But you know what? They had a truck full. The back of their truck was full. That is awesome. They got it all on here. You're ready for next weekend.
Oh yeah.
We are on 675. We just got on from I-70. I have checked the local weather, and there is a tornado warning. For us, this is Sunday night, the 11th of June, about 7:22 p.m. Jim said, get your camera on.
If it's going to get us, I want to see it.
So it is, the warning is until 7:30. I am a nervous wreck.
Oh, it's just wind.
Jim says it's just wind. Okay, now what's really scary is it's really, the rain is slowing down.
All the trees will keep blowing in the wind.
All right.
If the trees stop,
What year was a Xenia tornado? Was that 1974? Jim?
1974, 4:43 p.m.
Can you hear him? April 3rd, 1974.
Yeah.
What time?
Either 4:34 p.m. or 4:43 p.m.
Somewhere after around 4:30 p.m. in the afternoon that day. It's been a lot of years, but he lived through that tornado in Xenia, Ohio. Yeah, the rain's picking up a little bit again. The trees are still blowing.
Yeah, but it'll get dead calm.
Right.
When the tornadoes close.
So we're praying to God because
It don't get calm.
this is Greene County, correct?
Yeah.
And they call Xenia the land of wind. So,
They've been hit with 6 tornadoes since
well, right
74 that I know of.
right after we married in August of 2000, in September or October, there was a tornado. Thank God we had moved. Jim's parents were fine. but I was on a YouTube live and decided to hop off because he wanted to turn the radio on, and I went and checked the weather, and that's how I knew that it was a tornado warning. It brought up Fairborn, Ohio. They're not cutting in on the radio or anything. That's why he is checking now. If we see anything, you'll be right there with us. Right, that sign there says Grange Hall Road, North Fairfield Road. Both of the roads are here, exit 16 and 17. This is Fairborn, Ohio, that we are actually on the outskirts of, or this is coming into Beaver Creek. We have gone through Fairborn, we're into Beaver Creek. And so far, so good. I've asked Jim, are the trees still moving?
Can't see them now.
I can't either.
I can see them, but I can't tell if they're moving.
Okay, Wright State Way, that's for Wright State University.
Yeah, once the flag's blowing.
Okay, there we go.
Salute to Old Glory.
The flag is blowing, so the wind is still blowing. It's not gotten calm and scary yet. But I don't know those clouds. Do you see the clouds? We have to go this way to get home to our area. This is just an outskirt of Dayton, being Fairborn and Beaver Creek.
I'll have you back alone.
No, thank you, honey.
Oh no, we turn right there.
All right, I don't know that anything is going on. It is now 7:28. We are on our local radio station and they have not broke in. We did look for, or go to the AM channel for WHIO, which is our local, one of the local television channels and radio channels here, that they are on an AM channel on the radio, and they have not announced anything or broken in for a broadcast. So at this point, we're gonna say it's 7:29. Let's pray that nothing touched down. All right, you just saw the storm that we drove through to come home from after meeting KT Treasures and going to that flea market. Now here is the water level on our pool from the rain that we received yesterday. For us, that was Sunday, just a few days before you're seeing this. And our pool is normally, there's another screw below the one that you're seeing there, that the water is just above that middle screw, where there is one below it. This pool is up about 1.5 to 2 inches from the rain that was received here Sunday day and the storm Sunday night and that storm we drove through. So now the pool needs vacuum. By the time we vacuum it and we backwash it, that will lower the level back to where it needs. So hey, free water, we love it. Let's get her cleaned.